Alright, good morning crew. Going to work on a little project today. We're going to build a cradle to take this Aquasport and flip it over so I can work the bottom first. If you don't know anything about my channel, it's Deep Dive Spear Crew, and I've got a few guys that go spear fishing with me, kind of built around spear fishing, outdoor life. If you like boat rebuilds, hunting, fishing, things like that, go check out my other videos. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever other videos come out. Today we're going to, like I said, look at this. Today we're going to build this cradle for the boat and see how far we get. We may do a little pressure washing on the helm station, cut a little bit out. I'm going to take that helm station and actually lift it up 10 inches. So we'll see how far we get. Alright, I got my 4x4s laid out. I've got some casters that I bought from Harbor Freight. So what I'm going to do is put 6 casters on the 4x4s, cross those with 2x4x10 studs, and create a rolling pallet so that we can flip the boat over. What's up, Deep Dive Spear Crew? Here we are again in 1973 Aquasport 222. I worked on the center console a little bit today, cut the top off of it, cut some of the old plywood out. Now I'm inside of the boat. What I'm going to do is remove some of this decking with the circular saw. My goal is to get it as light as possible so that I can get it inside of my barn. But I don't want to cut so much out that I jeopardize the integrity of the inside structure, because when I flip it up on its side, I'm going to be holding it by the side with the tractor. So here we go. So what I'm going to do is set my circular saw, set the blade depth just so it's just a smidge, maybe a 1/16 below the thickness of the deck. That way I'm not cutting into the stringers or anything like that. And like I said, I'm just going to cut pieces out and try to lighten this thing up some. kind of about all I wanted for the weekend. So clean up, get ready for the work week. Don't remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, leave some comments if you got some suggestions for me, and hit that notification bell. You see whenever I post the next video. We'll keep making progress a little bit at a time. It's kind of like Johnny Cash's old Cadillac. We're not going to steal it one piece at a time, but we're going to take it apart and put it back together one piece at a time. Until next time, Deep Dive Spear Crew, out.